Hey guys, real quick, I just want to make this quick video. I'm in the middle of editing a 16-hour straight DoorDash video, and it's going to take me a little while. So I want to make sure that I get this video up just so you guys can see that I'm up to something. This happened a few days ago. It was actually during the 16-hour straight DoorDash that I did last week. And I had a couple experiences. One where I almost got in an accident. Somebody ran through a stop sign and I was a little bit distracted and I didn't see them at first. And so that happened. And then my dash cam also caught another accident, an actual accident. This video is primarily as a public service announcement that if you're not protecting yourself with a two-way dash cam that protects, not only gets you a view of the road, but a view of the interior of your car if you're driving rideshare, you are doing a huge disservice to yourself. So watch this quick video. Again, please protect yourself. I have a link in the description to the camera that I have personally in my car. Even if you're not interested in that one personally, even though it is the best dash camera for driving rideshare on the market right now, please find something you can, peruse through Amazon and find something that will help you protect yourself. It's a huge, you have to do this. It's like, it's 2019. This is literally a no-brainer. I would do that so that you can keep it. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, as long as it's showing there, we're in good shape. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, as long as it's showing there, we're in good shape. Oh my gosh. And that's why you have a dash cam. Oh my gosh. That dude just zipped through. I almost got in a crazy accident just now. Holy crap, dude. We don't need that negativity in our lives. The day just started. Oh, that was an accident.
Oh,
just happened. That accident right there.
How did it happen though? There's no one in front of them. Oh, it was like someone pulling out of the parking spot and it happened. Is that what it was?
Yeah. Yo, I got the dash cam footage if you want. You were going this way, right? You're on the street. What's your number? I'll send it to you.
My number is 562.
Okay, hold on. That way, just in case you need it.
No.
Guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and drop me a like and maybe a comment down below if you've had similar experiences or can provide additional testimony to people that are a little bit skeptical about getting a dash cam. I have another video showing you how to hardwire a dash camera into your car that'll make it so that it will run continuously. Even when you're parked, if you get hit in a parking lot while you're parked, that will still record for you. Guys, I really appreciate all the support that you give me. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a great day.